Hi guys, welcome back to Joel's Garage. Today we'll be installing a AUTOONE LED. This is a fog light LED. So this is a 300K golden yellow. So this is a H11 LED by AUTOONE. And let's install this LED. Tools we'll be using is 10mm socket and a flathead, and we're just gonna remove these clip bolts right here, 1 and 2. I already jacked up the car, by the way. So we'll be installing it on a we'll be installing the LED on the 2018 Lexus CT200H Sport. So I'll be changing the fog light again. It's been like 2 years. So very easy install. So make sure it's straight like this. The clip will remove. Very easy. And there's also a 10mm bolt right here. It's 10. And remove that also. And also a clip right here. Remove that also. And turn the tire to the left. And also remove this clip right here. 1, 2. Alright, just peel this off right here. And the fog light will be right there. Right there. There's a tab right here. Just press it down and remove it. There we go. And removing it is just turn to the right, and that's it. Very easy. This is the old LED. The old LED right here. And we're putting the new AUTOONE LED. This is the AUTOONE LED. Nice construction. It's fanless. H11. Going to fog light. Alright, let's put it in. It's pretty easy. Put inside. Just line up. And turn left. Boom. Very easy. Let's put back the connector. Just push forward. And you hear the click. Very easy. Alright, let's turn it on. Make sure it's working before we proceed. Alright, the LED is working. It's super bright. This is the AUTOONE fog light LED H11s, and this is the old one, and there's no light at all. Alright, I'm gonna change the other one too. The same procedure, returning everything back. Alright guys, I think it's super bright. It's daylight too. We already installed the AUTOONE LED, golden yellow, 3000K, H11. Very nice and bright. Very easy install. And it's the fog lights right here. We installed, there are the AUTOONEs. Alright, we're just gonna wait for nighttime and we're gonna do the before and after.
A few moments later.
Before. Also, if you like the product, I have the coupon code for 15% off. I'll drop the link below. Just enter Joel's Garage. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.